Good afternoon. So this is a little bit different. So I ventured out a little bit more out of Hua Hin, and we're now in Siam. So I'm at the premium outlet Siam. Nice one. So it's actually quite straightforward to get here. Great. Can't wait to check it out. Okay, so they've got some markets here. Okay, got a food area in the middle. That's good. Polo, Playboy, Hybrid. Never heard of some of these places. Bossini. Minor. Be interesting to see how many international brands there are here. But maybe I don't know them. Guess. Don't know them. Disney. I know Disney. Of course, Disney had to be here. Now, are some of these places still closed because of COVID? I don't know. Looks like one or two might be. Okay. Young athletes, but they got Adidas in there. Don't know why it says kids zone. It weren't a good idea to start the kids zone area. Oh good, another coffee shop. So might be having coffee instead of some food. It's very quiet here. What a shame. Let's go. Phet factory brand shoes. Crocodile. Guy Laroche. Lotus? No, it's not the same Lotus. Oh, looks like they've got an indoor shopping centre as well, or sports stadium. So this is the sports stadium, which has many brands inside. Some I've never heard of before. It'd be interesting to know if the major brands have got their own shops. Like Under Armour and Nike, are they here? That's what I want to know. Okay, let's explore some more. So this is on a Saturday. It's pretty quiet for a Saturday. So it's Sunday, not Saturday. I got it wrong. Okay, let's try down here. Okay, Beverly Hills Polo Club, Gallup, California. What's that? GQ? I'm going to show my ignorance now because I don't know these brands. Okay, I know Pierre Cardin. Warehouse. About Bag. Santa Barbara Polo and Racket Club. Missy. Come on, Where's Nike and Under Armour? They must be here. Okay, we've got Lee Cooper. Pasaya. What's that? Dosh? Descendant of superheroes. Oh, okay. You get all your Batman stuff and all that in there. Lacoste. Wow. Okay. T-Fell are being noisy here. Outlet 24. So it's noisy T-Fell. Zane. What's that? Penna House? Penna? Who knows? There is another side. So, well, that's golf over there. There must be more, surely. Maybe the big ones are over here. Who knows? Oh, I can see an Under Armour sign. Okay, great. Okay, so this is the bigger size, so I think maybe they're the... Oh, okay, there's all that down there as well. It's quite big. Okay, so you've got golf challenge there. So if you do some golf, which I'm sure if you're in Hua Hin, maybe some of you do some golf. Got Converse. So they got bigger stores. You've got Levi's and my favourite, Under Armour. Is Adidas here? I'm sure Adidas must be here as well. Vans. Okay, I've got to check out Under Armour. See what their prices are like. Wherever you go, Under Armour is very expensive. Buy 3, get 20% off. Buy 5, get 40% off. Okay, let's check it out. Sweater cup. Oh, sweater cup. So they've got some nice designs in here. But I need something a bit airy, because sometimes you wear some of these tops and it's really hot. Unless you're in an aircon gym, then it's not too bad. They even say. Okay, got some designs that I've never seen before. Try the cup. And of course you've got a lady section over here. Okay, nice colourful trainers. Men's colourful trainers. Right, so I need to find some tops that got the little tiny holes in, perforations. Let the sweat out. So first of all, how cheap are you compared to the shop? Let's say in Hua Hin Market Village. How cheap are you? You cheaper?
Cheaper.
Yeah.
Cheaper. Outlet. Market Village.
Not same.
Yeah.
Not same.
Yes. Not same.
Not same.
Yes, not
but,
same.
but you're cheaper.
Yes.
Cheaper.
How much
This
cheaper?
one I think cheaper about 100, about 200.
200 baht cheaper.
200 baht, 200 baht.
Oh, okay.
And I think not same quality.
Yes.
Yes.
This have
I think-
have promotion.
Yes, not same.
It's but it's the same.
Yes.
It's Under Armour is Under
yes.
Armour, yes?
Same.
Okay, so we do have some cheap prices here. So originally that was 990, and it was originally 25% off. It's now only 490, and that's with 60% off. Yeah, 60% off. So you can get some deals here. That's good. That's what I like to see. Nice. Okay, so we got some other tops here. It says up to 50% off, but actually the price of it was
80%.
so okay, it's 80% off now. The original price
1,590.
okay,
Yes, and have a discount 80%. Total price it is design 390.
390.
Yes.
So that's a bargain price. So you do have some bargains. You save more than 200 baht here. That's good. Nice. So we got some tops here. Looks quite nice. 20% off. So originally it was 690 and now 590. Nice one. Quite a few to choose from there. Great. So definitely plenty of choices here. Wow. Such a big selection. Quite a few small sizes. Okay, we found some extra large ones. That's good. So although they do say sale up to 50%, some of them are a lot more than 50% off, right? Okay, so it's a shame they didn't have exactly what I wanted. I wanted the perforated tops. Not so easy to copy those. You can't get those anywhere. You have to go to the main dealers. I think they get their stuff from Bangkok and Malaysia, and it might take another month or 2 months to get them because they're out of stock at the moment. Shame. So we have Adidas outlet store. So out of fairness, let me just have a quick look at the Adidas store. I do love Under Armour, but not everyone does. So this is a bigger shop. Lots of stock again. More boxes than anything else. So looks like most of the stock is on the floor. Not literally on the floor, but on the shop floor. Again, plenty of choices. A vast selection of choices. You can see sale everywhere. 30% off on most of them. And 70% off on some others. Okay, so a lot of choice. Choices you probably wouldn't get in other shopping malls in Hua Hin, possibly. So quite a lot of women's stuff and a certain amount of men's stuff. So they've got quite a vast selection. They've got some men's over there as well. I thought this was mostly all women, so they have a mixture. Quite a big store. So if you're looking for Adidas trainers, you'll definitely find them here because you've got plenty to choose from. My God, great stuff. So I'm still on the hunt for Nike. So So I'm not sure if Nike was here and they're pulled out, or they're still here and I just can't find them. Volcom. Volcom? Never heard of them. Let's check out if I can get a latte or hot latte. A bit on the small side, but it will do. This venue is about 35 minutes away from Hua Hin. That's from sort of like Blueport area. But not too far, really. So, not a big cup of coffee, but at least I got my coffee, got my latte. So, hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching what's been doing in Thailand, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers. Goodbye.